Yes, so Victor Isibor here. My people, how are you doing? A lot of people have been disturbing me, Victor Isibor. Review PHEBELLA. Review PHEBELLA. Other people will come and say, Victor, review RIO TINTO. Review RIO TINTO. The kind of funny names I'm hearing, I say, okay. So let me squeeze the two into one video and look at it. When I just opened the website immediately, I've done a lot of reviews. The thing just look familiar. Eh? These guys should change their style now. Straight line script. Then they will claim, say that they do something, that we are doing something. That thing that they claim that they are doing, instead of them to use their website to advertise it, no. All they will now do is put all these packages. You see all these funny packages they will now put. They will now ask you to put in your money, and that they will be paying you a fixed amount on a daily basis for so and so number of days. This is the new format. Any platform anybody asks you to review, the moment you open it, that thing that they say they are doing, they will not even talk much about it. You see these people now, about a website is supposed to enable a visitor to that website to know more about the company. But they know that the more they tell you about themselves, the more you will want to investigate, the more secrets that will open. Okay? That is why when you click the About section, from now till tomorrow, nothing will open. Nothing will open. Nothing will open. Continue to click it. Nothing will open. They put up a funny agreement here. Funny looking agreement. I don't know why they put Nigeria coat of arms here. Is it Federal Republic that is entering into agreement with who now? Okay. So, my brothers and sisters, I want to ask a very simple question. Don't we learn? Like, we know they learn, we don't learn. If you click on this product now, product, beside this event, you will see the picture of one equipment that is far, that you cannot even see. You will know that they just downloaded the picture. They did not write 8,000. You'll be getting 560 per day for 60 days. The same picture, they name it B2. Same picture, different name. Okay, they will just label it like that. Just put money packages there. This is the easiest format that scammers can use now. Very, very easy. Sun Solar came that time, say they are into solar. They did not advertise solar on their website. They just create all these kind of packages. They created it. XYZ amount of money fetches you so and so fixed returns. But if you see fixed returns, any website that tells you if you put so and so money, you will be earning fixed returns, run. The legitimate platform in the description of this video will never tell you that this is what you are going to earn. So when I'm telling people about that platform in the description of this video, Ponzi people that are used to Ponzi, they will come and be telling me, if I put this so and so amount, how much will I be earning on a daily basis? Am I God? Do you control the market? You don't control the market. It's like going to the market now to ask market woman how much she sells per day. I mean, the market forces of demand and supply will determine that one. Okay, you cannot have fixed returns on a daily basis. It's just impossible because you don't control the market. Few days ago, I reviewed Barrick Gold, a fake company collecting people's money in this Nigeria, claiming to be the legitimate Barrick Gold. Barrick Gold actually exists abroad. They create an imitation in Nigeria. They will use it to collect your money. I heard Barrick Gold has run away with many people's money. Okay, now, I reviewed Tom Duck before Barrick Gold. Tom Duck said they are selling fish. Okay, you are selling fish. Now, you created packages. They draw that one. They draw plenty fish. Let me try and draw fish here. They draw plenty fish in that one. The longer the tail of the fish, the higher the amount of money they will say you should bring to be earning so and so amount on a daily basis. I cried out, this is a scam. Will you just be investing in fish and be earning money on a daily basis? Is it that easy? If it's easy, why are some fish sellers still in our market? Everybody should go and meet Tom Duck. Okay, Tom Duck, where is your fish pond? They did not tell us. We cannot find their fish pond. I heard they have also collapsed now. That was how you people rushed to go and do Fire VIP. Those ones too, they say they were doing mining. They created packages. That one too is gone. AI mining, that our brother, the comedian, was their ambassador. AI mining, the same thing. Packages, earn fixed amount on a daily basis. Where are they today? They are gone. Insme is the founding father of this format. When Insme came, they say you will do task, different packages, put so and so money, you'll be earning so and so money on a daily basis. That was how Insme disappeared. Insme enjoyed a lot of success. So all these scammers that come after Insme, they decide to be using the same method. The RIO TINTO you people said I should review as well is this same method too, different packages. But the difference is that RIO TINTO itself is an imitation. The RIO TINTO you see, RIO TINTO is a legitimate company, a company that was founded when? In 1873. You can see the company actually exists. You see, their website is riotinto.com. is their website. This is Wikipedia. An established brand, established and founded in 1873. You see, but you see those scammers now, they now want to create RIO TINTO NG. You will see the website will be different. RIO TINTO NG. Then they will not tell you much stories. They will now start asking for your money. They will put different packages like the one that you are seeing here. They will put it on their website. So this same script, I don't know if it's the same person that helps them to design it, straight line script. Okay, they will just put team, about, agreement, sign, then bottom right corner they will put they will put just very simple straight line script kind of website, and they are using it to collect our money. Very good took your money. Tom Dog took your money. Fire VIP took your money. Huge Evers took your money. Insme took your money. Sun Solar took your money. They learn. They learn. Now it is PHEBELLA. It is PHEBELLA. Not be only PHEBELLA. Very soon they will bring Isabella. That one too will come and take your money. See that one too now. They say RIO TINTO. The real company, as you can see, it exists. So where they are, a company that was founded in 18th century. Some miscreants just came around, come and remix the website. They will add NG, or they will put hyphen, or they will put full stop, so that the website will be different. Then they will put all these packages for you. These packages make me laugh. I always tell you guys, when you see any company offering you fixed returns, run. My brothers and sisters, look in the description of this video. Give Ponzi a chance. Let Ponzi breathe. Look in the description of this video. Start making real money. In the description of this video, the platform that is there, your capital will be inside your exchange. Just pay rentage of their robot for a year and let it trade for you in real market, buying and selling, where they don't fix ROI. How can you fix ROI? Are you God? You can tell the future, so you fix ROI for everybody. Rob Peter to pay Paul. So in this video, we have concluded that PHEBELLA is a scam. It's a familiar scam. We are used to this format. And RIO TINTO is also an imitation scam. RIO TINTO is actually imitating an existing brand that has been around for centuries. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, and let me see what your thoughts are in the comment section below. And of course, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.